So I wanted to come up with ideas for creatures that could populate this crazy fantasy theme of space and other worlds for Halloween. And this Home Depot spider animatronic seemed to fit right in because it was not only colorful and kind of crazy, but it was also the perfect candidate for the world's easiest prop makeover. So this is before, and what you're looking at is the front of the prop. After turning it around, now you see the back, which is the part I actually used. I wanted to give it a more out-of-this-world, creature from another planet type feeling. So with a plastic plate like this, I framed it with black masking tape. And if you want, you could glue it on, but instead I drilled 3 small holes along the edge and attached it with fishing line. From there, I projected an eyeball onto the plate, and this was from the ATmosFX Eerie Eyes collection. The projection also comes with its own sound effects. That's it.